Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well. May have a piece of attack claps for drop on uno. A St. Catherine car dealer accused of abducting and raping his former girlfriend has been granted bail. The accused is Davian Smith, 27-year-old of Portmore, St. Catherine. Smith is charged with forcible abduction, unlawful detention, rape, grievous sexual assault, assault occasioning bodily harm. Mighty God, my wisdom warriors, when I hear them something here? Businessman accused of raping ex-girlfriend granted bail. Me telling about these people, me telling you say in this country they like to protect the raper boy them. In this country, they like to protect the raper boy them. This is why Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is not releasing the registry of the sexual offenders. Yeah, tell me say this a boy you know. This a businessman you know. Go and abducting ex-girlfriend. Listen, abducting ex-girlfriend. Forcible abduction, unlawful detention, rape, grievous sexual assault, assault occasioning bodily harm. Wanna hear that? And them a people them a grant bail. Them a people them grant bail. So basically, when you grant him bail, so you grant him bail for go back go rape and rape other people pitney. Me tell you so not like Jamaican people. This court system, Jamaican court system, is ridiculous. It is a failed system for Jamaica. It doesn't protect the people of Jamaica. My wisdom warrior, sorry to say, but it's just the truth. On the nose, I may have to talk it how it is. Seriously. Because if somebody rape, then rape them, then charge, and then you go grant them bail. Why would you grant somebody bail that rape somebody? I don't understand. Me just not get it. But then again, if Delroy Chuck now want release the sex offender registry, well, boy, this is why you see them get away with all these things, and you see so many young girl and young boy going missing. It is a reason why they're going missing, my wisdom warriors. You understand? It is a reason, and they don't want with to see. They don't want we to see and know the raper boy them. So we can protect ourselves from them. They don't want that. So them a people don't really have a lead, Them a type of people, a lead, And the labor right them a defend these type of people. These type of people, the labor right them come out and defend. Mighty God of Daniel. I do not know. Seriously, it is very sad. It is very, very, very sad. But you tell me what you think about this. So my wisdom warriors, me see the paper then come out with the distraction again. Me don't know who them a try fool. So no never hear this here. Dancehall artist Valiant, whose given name is Raheem Bowes, has been taken into custody on a warrant for outstanding traffic tickets. It's believed Valiant, who was involved in the accident on Sunday, which resulted in Health Minister Christopher Tufton being knocked off his bicycle in St. Andrew, was arrested today. Police sources have told some news people that Valiant license was run through the system on Sunday, as is routine for anyone involved in a traffic accident. That's when police discovered that a warrant was issued for his arrest because of his outstanding traffic tickets. So my wisdom warriors know the question when I want to ask Valiant. So Valiant, you're a big superstar. You never know what's a warrant out for you. You never know say you owe a ticket, brother. Yeah. You never know say you owe a ticket. My wisdom warriors, I never see smoke without fire, I don't even, if you tell you the truth, me have to see they lock up Valiant, I don't believe this. I just do not believe it. Maybe it goes so yes, but I don't believe me. Then say seeing is believing. Me have to see this. Because seriously, I just don't understand it. Maybe I choose people out the road I say, remember say stinking at the street, you know. Remember say stinking at the street, say I plan them planet. You understand? So maybe they want to come off with this now as a distraction. For the people them say, wait, no, sir, I don't plan them planet. Then things so they can take people for fool. But I do not know. I'm only saying. Because me want know, Valiant a big superstar, I travel all over the world. And him get ticket. And him no know say if you go pay for it. Oh, what is? My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what to think about this here, man, because to me, this is all a distraction. My wisdom warriors, I want to take a good look at this. You know when I get this here from off a Android IG page. I believe an IG page. My wisdom warriors. Hey, Lord Jesus, I want to take a good look and look at what they have in the hospital. Christopher Tufton, health minister that is spending and saving billions for the future for Jamaica. Look what is inside the hospital. Chester drawer. Chester drawer, the nurses and doctors them have to use to keep records and all kind of something. For keep records and resources or equipment or whatever. Only can't believe this, my wisdom warriors. Look, a medication fridge. Medication fridge, they on top of Chester jar. You know, so if you go on better in a life, uno no have nothing about uno Christopher Tufton. And then your boss, how you're the best health minister for over 8 years. Stand up in a House of Parliament and show off, you know. How you're the best and you doing so well. When nothing no go so. You cannot do well. You cannot do well and look at Chester drawer in the hospital. I keep patient records and all them something there. No, sir. From I born, I never see this yet. I first never see this. I wonder which nurse and doctor or patient feel sorry for them and give them Chester drawer. Me I wonder, I wish patient or I wish nurse and doctor feel sorry for them, for the hospital, and say, no, what? Me have a old Chester drawer, you know, where me not use a long time. Me have it now about 15 years. My wisdom warriors. Sorry, me have to laugh, seriously. Seriously, me like all the people them are help, you know. I help them community. Yeah, me like it, man. How them I help them community. But seriously, Christopher Tufton have million and billion dollars wasting. So how comes the hospital they need? Them need, you see, we always come out and talk about it, my wisdom warriors. We always come out and talk about it. And look what happened now. We always say the hospital they need resources. The hospital they need equipment. We always talk about that. Always. And look now, I'm glad there is a proof or evidence for sure. Say, look, looking at the hospital, medication fridge, they on top of Chester drawer. Lord, gee, uno no shame. Uno no shame. Christopher Tufton, me know say you know no shame yet, but Lord, uno no shame. Seriously. This is, you know, so this is a disgrace. This is very disgraceful, you know. This is a disgrace, my wisdom warriors. John, no, me no know what else to say. And when it come out and talk about Christopher Tufton and Andrew Nang do good, you know, the labor right then come out and trace we. Labor right how no feel good for see how Chester draw in a hospital. And Christopher Tufton a waste millions of and billions of dollars doing nothing. Talk truth. Labor right for once in our life. Talk truth. Because all when you see the evidence in front of you. Hey, my wisdom warriors. No, sir. I never see this in a history yet. I am looking at the fridge, my wisdom warriors, because really and truly, is the medication fridge supposed to be there where patient and everybody there? Come in and see no lock on the fridge. That's a safety, you know. Right, they say, my wisdom warriors. You see? You see, when I try to show you, this is a medication fridge where patient I walk up and down. Anybody can go in this and go take out anything now. Me just show you something and the fridge now have no lock on it. This is not safe. This is not safe, my wisdom warriors. You know, so I feel embarrassed, but I have to show it. Me feel so embarrassed, but I just have to show it. Friend, hey, Christopher Tufton, you have to go down today. You have to come out of House of Parliament and you have to go down. So the people, they want to know, when you was entering the hospital, they want to know if you buck up on the Chester draw there. Lord Jesus, so how the labor right then feel? Eh? How the labor wrong then feel, you know? You should have shame on yourself every day and get up, come out, a cuss. And I'll come out and I cuss all Nikisha Burchell with a bright self, all Toughisha, tough Juliet Cockburn. I come favor some man. I come chat off her mouth and I come disrespect Nikisha. All the one Venetia she with her outer self, I come call Nikisha batch up body. Look on your body, girl. You come call Nikisha. You're bright and out order. Me say they rank you see my wisdom warriors. When they run out of words, they start cuss about your personal life. Lord Jesus, they fool. Me say, them are people not in a parliament, you know. When they run out of words and I don't have nothing upon you and nothing about you to say, they start cuss you how you look and them something there. I tell you no. But my wisdom warriors, me not run from this, you know. Me there, I look on the medication fridge on top of the Chester drawer. Lord Jesus, it is bad. This is really below the belt. This is really, really below the belt. This is really, really below the belt. Christopher Tufton, I hope you do something about this. I hope you swallow your pride and do something about this. Me feel shame, me not tell you no lie. But you can't tell me what to think about this. Me tell you already say Andre post it. When me say Andre post it, me say okay, me look into it. So me realize you're in the hospital today, my wisdom warriors. So you tell me what to think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, I have a piece of attack claps for drop pan. Oh no. So no say the St. Thomas people they run out on a protest. Right there, so the St. Thomas people them a make Andrew Holness know say brother and Christopher Tufton. Them a make them know say brother, you need to start saggle up, fix up on a folly ground before it's too late. Because you not do nothing for St. Thomas people. And you self you not do it for my wisdom warriors. Take in this. My wisdom warriors, you know, see all the people them out and protesting, yeah, because they are not happy. They are not happy because them say the hospital is under resource. The hospital not have no resources. They are not happy. Hear more.
This hospital was working the way it should work or the way it intended to work. My good friend Councillor Brian may, just maybe, he will be still alive today.
We need a better health care. We need CT scan. We need everything that we not to fly Gartown or run Gartown or take one taxi Gartown for.
She is so right, my wisdom warriors. She is so right.
If we don't have these labs and we don't have ambulance to transport these people, then we are operating a morgue, not an hospital. We want a hospital. There are enough morgues in St. Thomas. What we need is an hospital. What we have here is a big clinic.
Once they get to the hospital, they should have some level of confidence that they are going to be cared for. And their relatives, their families should not be worried or scared, wondering if they are going to come back out of the hospital.
My wisdom warriors, I so agree with the farmer mayor. That man, I don't know his name, but apparently he's a farmer mayor. I so agree with him. What them have there is a big clinic. They say they need a hospital. Yeah, on top of that, the hospital do not have the resources for save people's life. And this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. And when we talk about it, Christopher Tufton and Andrew Holness get vexed. And they know that the hospital do not have the resources. They are not equipped. They know this. You understand? But the thing is, they want the people them for dead. As some see it, that is the only way. They want the people them for dead. So the body then can't go funeral home. Lord Jesus, my wisdom warriors. This is really sad, you know. This is really, really sad. And I am so pleased. I am very pleased to see the St. Thomas people them roll out on a protest against this government. A full time come. It is full time, a long time, me I tell you no. So what make you no go out and protest? Look how much time. Look how much time me come out on my channel and me say to uno say, uno go and go protest when uno see, uno go hospital and in now working at the right way, uno need for protest against these things. Me always tell you no, you understand? Me always say, a lot of people go through whole heap. A lot of patients when they go to hospital, they get neglect and one bag of something. And me always say to uno say, uno help uno brothers and sisters by going out and protest. Because uno no know. Maybe one day it will happen to uno. So not because it not happen to uno, that no means that uno no help uno neighbor. Me always tell uno. And look, a life has been lost because of the negligence of the hospital. A life. Someone lost their life because what? The hospital now have resources, the hospital now have equipment, this and that. I know so they not go come out and talk the truth though. You know so the hospital them are go come and defend the equipment and resources. All when they know so they not have no equipment and resources, them all come and tell lies that they have. My wisdom warriors, this is very, very sad. Very, very sad. PNP counselor loses life because there was no resources at the hospital. And negligence. You understand? Because of negligence. You get me? And as the people them say, this is not a hospital. This is like a morgue. Because if you do not have ambulance and all these things, what's the point? It's just like, it just, to me, come like at the fittest survive. I just saw it go. Right there, so. I just saw me see. And to me, again, it's just the mercy of God that brought everybody through. So anytime I see nobody go hospital, Jamaica hospital, and come out, at the mercy of God. The mercy of God. Now get me wrong, you know. Me not say there is not. Me not say the nurses and doctor them no good, you know. Listen what me say. Me say the resources them, they don't have resources. And they don't have equipment and stuff like that. So they can do them job and carry out them job properly. You understand? They don't have the resources. So how them are going to save lives? How them are going to save lives? It is not nice. You know, so I couldn't work in them the condition there. More than have to give up that the job there and go look another job. Because my heart wouldn't pain me too much. My heart wouldn't really pain me too much. More than stress over it. Seriously. My wisdom warriors. And I want the doctors and nurses. If you know so una hospital don't have resources, you need for protest too. You want next one. You need for protest. Uno too wicked just like a angel wellness. If uno is a doctor and nurses in the hospital, and uno see say uno not have enough resources and so on equipment for work with, uno need for protest. If uno ask for months and nothing and come, uno for come out and protest. Remember, uno have a duty of care for carry out, you know. You understand me? Mighty God of Daniel, this is sad. But then again, St. Thomas people, thank you for coming out and protesting. I am so proud of you guys. Seriously. But then again, my wisdom warriors, make me stick a pin. So, uno no know so the police them go there and want lock down the protest. Yes, want the people they in garden yard. I can't talk about the people they now protest peacefully. You see how them bright and stink and out of order? You saw them bright and stink and out of order. The people, them a protest peacefully, you know. They not get no problem. They not block no road, nothing. Try them a go through same way. And the police, they have audacity if come out, I try stop it. I don't know who send them out already. No. You see what they out order? Me tell you no man. And that's why I want to know if you open up on the eye in Jamaica. Because if Jamaica is not republic and Andrew Holness a behave so, what happened to when Jamaica turn republic? Dog are going to nyam supper taking this.
Sorry. Every car that pass out here is louder than any sound that anyone. This is the most peaceful and organized demonstration I've ever seen in my life since I'm in Jamaica. Only in US, we go see more people. And I was just commending everybody here that, whoa, this is beautiful, this is the way, this is a model how we should demonstrate as Jamaica. You know, I'm not speak, I'm not alone now. We're not blocking you. And we're not blocking you. This is commendable. No patient can be disturbed based on the little sound where some people just talking to the media. People saying, every vehicle that traverses on this road is much louder than any utterance that anyone going to make here. So we have to be. Everyone is singing, right? Tell yourself that it's not all beyond that. That's what I ask. Anything that is happening here, we are not enough.
My wisdom warriors, wanna see say there is no freedom of speech. Wanna see that though? There is no freedom of speech. Imagine the people, they're not happy with the health minister. They're not happy with the government of Jamaica. Then decide to come out and protest. And when you look, them are send one bag of police. One bag of police for send home the people them. I wonder if Jamaica up in there and I look good. What is going on? The people then come out and protest peacefully because they must say the councillor, the PNP councillor that died is because of their negligence. This is Princess Margaret Hospital, you know. We are talking about in my wisdom warriors. Yeah? That's where the protest is happening. You understand me? They are upset and they are not happy because they believe it's a negligence. You understand me? That is what they believe. So the people then come out and a protest and say the hospital, they need equipment. And then say, they not talk about only one hospital. They might talk about the hospital them across Jamaica. And I agree with that. So when the police them a run, come and a go, I do not understand them. Me telling you, say they don't love Jamaica. You see these things, I gotta expose it, you know. I gotta expose these things. Yes, man. All with the Chester draw, each up in the hospital, I gotta expose them one by one. And when you look, when you see Christopher Tufton lay down in a bed, and so like a Idebo come over here, I come, hey, me telling you something. When you don't stop over here. You do not stop over here and write on a foolishness. Because I am here for the Jamaican people. And I am speaking behalf of the Jamaican people. And I am talking for the voiceless. You understand me? Because something need to be done. The people, they are not happy. And a whole heap of hospital in a Jamaica. Mandeville Hospital no have no resources either. Savlama Hospital too. A lot. St. Anne's Hospital, a lot of hospital. Everybody are complaining. I just show the people they now go protest. And I hope this give the people them courage to go out and protest outside the hospital them. And that me want everybody to do right now. Me want everybody to rise up right now and go protest. Because when you see these things, it's getting worse. Wanna hear me? And we have to do something about it before it is too late. So my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me how you feel about this. Tell me what you think about it. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Feel free to bless up my PayPal. The link for the PayPal is going to be in the comment section. Also, you can follow me on TikTok and IG. The link is going to be in the comment section. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.